Hello children, welcome back to Computer Digital Learning Platform. Children, today I'll continue with the chapter number 1, Evolution of Computers, and going to discuss on the topic Generations of Computers. Let's understand learning outcome of today's class. We are learning to know and describe generations of computers. Children, be ready with your computer textbook, curriculum worksheet number 1, pencil and an eraser. Let's move to the topic Generations of Computers. Evolution of the present day computer is commonly classified into generations of computers. Each new generation resulted in the following changes: increase in speed, storage capacity and reliability, decrease in cost and size. Children, let us move to the first generations of computers. First generation computer starts from 1940 to 1956. Had circuitry vacuum tubes. Data input operation was punched cards. Data output operation was punched cards as the main storage medium assembly. External storage was magnetic tapes. Language is used machine assembly. Examples: UNIVAC, ENIAC, EDVOC. Children, let's understand full form of UNIVAC, ENIAC, EDVOC. UNIVOC, Universal Automatic Computer. ENIAC, Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer. EDVOC, Electronic Discrete Variable Automatic Computer. Children, let's move to second generations of computers. Second generation computers from 1956 to 1963 had circuitry of transistor, data input operation through punched cards, magnetic tapes, data output operation through punched cards. External storage was magnetic tapes. Languages used were Fortran, COBOL, BASIC, PL1. Examples: IBM 1400 and 700 series, IBM 350. Let's move to third generations of computers. Third generations of computers starts from 1964 to 1971. Had circuitry, integrated circuits, IC. Data input operation was through keyboard. Data output operation was through monitor. External storage was magnetic disk. Language is used sophisticated OS were used Pascal, Fortran, COBOL, RPG. Examples: IBM System 360, Apple I, Altair. Children, let us move to fourth generations of computers. Fourth generations of computers starts from 1972 to present. Have circuitry microprocessor VLSI. Data input operation through keyboard, mouse, scanner, etc. Data output operations through printer, monitor, speakers. External storage on magnetic disks with higher capacity. Language is used. Use of special software for maintaining large database, RDBMS, C++ in 1985. Examples: IBM PC in 1980, Apple Macintosh in 1984. Children, let us move to fifth generations of computers. Fifth generations computer expected in a future. Future has a circuitry with the artificial intelligence. Data input operation through optical fiber technology to handle artificial intelligence. Capacity to think and reason. Language can understand human speech, recognize patterns like faces and other complex images. Children, artificial intelligence is also called as robotics. We are entering into the fifth generations of computers. Children, hope you understood generations of computers topic. Let us solve one activity based on this topic. Fill in the blanks with the correct words from the given options. Options: UNIVAC 1, Mechanical, Artificial Intelligence, AI, ENIAC, 4th, 3rd. 1. Dash was the first electronic computer. Can you guess, children? Yes, it is ENIAC. 2. The abacus is probably the first dash device. Can you guess, children? Yes, it is mechanical device. 3. Dash was the first commercially available computer. Can you guess, children? Yes, it is UNIVAC 1. The other two, I'll read it for your reference. A microprocessor was used for the first time in dash generation computers. 5. Dash is associated with 5th generation computers. Children, these two you will do it on your own. Hope you understood this activity. Let us end our session with home play. Read and understand about generations of computers. Complete the curriculum worksheet 1, activity 4. Refer computer textbook, chapter number 1, page number 9 and 10. Thank you.